Secondary School. Today I have greatest opportunity to conduct this podcast. As we can see today, our guest is our son, Mr. Udayveer Singh Chauhan. He is the PGT of Geography and HOD of Social Science and Humanity Department. Teaching experience 25 years in this institution and given 100% result with his social science team for last 25 years. So sir, how can make social science an interesting subject?
Yes, it is very good question which you have asked. Most of the students have their feelings that social science is a tedious subject. But in reality it is not a tedious subject, it is a very interesting subject. Because it provides us different kinds of knowledge which is essential for our life. Because each and every sector of our life is directly related to history, geography, political, economics. Because it provides knowledge about our different kinds of natural heritage, geographical heritage, historical heritage. If we do not know about social science and about our society, then how can we survive in any of the field? That is why this subject has been made compulsory by the CBSE board and all the boards. Because without this subject, human knowledge is incomplete. Human cannot be a good resource because it makes human a resource. It provides knowledge about fundamental rights. It provides knowledge about agriculture, industries, transport, communication, trade, language, religions, caste, community, and their relationship between the society and the geographical features. That is why, and it is also provide knowledge about our old ancestors and about cultural heritage, without which we cannot success in our life. That is why social science is very important subject. So it is depend on us how to make it more interesting. This subject can be made more interesting by using different kinds of things during teaching. Like we should use charts, maps, and we should make PPT before teaching, before explaining the things in the class. And we should use modern technology like IFP panels, which make this subject more interesting and students will take more enjoy. Suppose we want to teach what is the resource. We should connect the things from the surrounding areas. Resources are available in the classroom also. So we should tell to the students that what types of resources you use in your classrooms, like pen, pencil, copy, books, room, water, fan, electricity, all are resources. Resources means the things which are useful to us. If we connect the things from this way, then they will take more interest, and social science would be more interesting subject for them. If we are teaching construction of dams, then we should show the same pictures, live pictures through the IFP, and we are using, our whole staff is using this technology, and students have started taking more interest because students think that this is not an important subject. They give more focus on physics, chemistry, math, biology, but it depends on us how to make it more interesting, and we are doing for last 25 years. That is why we are capable to give more than 100% result in this subject.
What is the role of geography and other humanities subject in student career?
Geography is not a theoretical subject, it is a practical based subject. It is just like a physics and chemistry. It has separate field in making our career, like in oceanography department, in meteorological department, in geomorphology department, in mining, in forest research institute, in survey of India. There are various fields in which we can make our career while taking geography as a main subject. at graduate level and postgraduate level. That is why most of the students do MSc in this subject. MA, MSc both, the syllabus is same, and we can make a good planner. We can make our career in Survey of India. We can make our career as an environmentalist, as a cartographer, and this subject covers a great part of the general knowledge in each and every competition. Not only this subject but also like economics, history, political science, all these are core subjects which are very essential to pass any of the competition except medical and engineering. Nobody can success in any of the competition without creating interest in these subjects. Those students who have science stream in their graduate level and postgraduate level, but when they want to make their career in civil services, then they have to study deeply of this subject because it covers about more than 50% of the general knowledge area. That is why geography and other humanity subjects play a very important role in making our career.
What are challenges of integrating multiple social science disciplines into single course of program?
Yes, social science is a combination of 4 subjects. That is why it is a big syllabus. It is a great challenge before each and every student and because each and every teacher. It is very difficult to manage the time to complete the syllabus on time. And some of the teachers have interest only in geography, in economics, but they have to teach political science and history also. That is why CBSE and any other board has fixed the qualification to become a teacher of social science, that the teacher should have minimum 2 subjects out of 4 like history, geography, political eco at graduate level and 1 subject at postgraduate level. And it depends on us how to make it more interesting subject, because most of the students think it is a boring subject. So it is a great challenge before us how to make it more interesting, and it is a great challenging subject because most of the students give less time to this subject because they thought that the subject is useless. And CBSE and different boards should curtail its syllabus. Only important chapters should be given. And this subject requires a big lab. These are the challenges.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you everyone to listen us.